Hey, this is Nikesh from Tech Basics. Today we are going to learn how to download Axis Bank application on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Then find App Store on your iOS device and open it. At the top in the search bar, type in Axis Bank and search. After that, scroll a little bit and you will find Axis Bank Mobile Banking. Click on it, then click on Get button. You need to verify with your Face ID or your fingerprint or an mobile passcode. After verification, your download will be started shortly. Now your download has been completed. Click on Open to enjoy your Axis mobile banking application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.